The Instagram story restyle, something went wrong. Error usually happens when the app can't process the all AI editing feature properly. This can due to internet issue and app bugs or feature not being fully available for your account yet. First, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works better. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause this error. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from Play Store or App Store, because new features like Restyle often don't work or older version. If the problem continues, clear the app cache on Android settings. Click Settings, then click Apps, then click App Management, find Instagram, click Instagram, then click Storage, then click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may causing glitch. You can also try logging out and login back to your account. Then click Back, click Force Stop and reopen the app. Sometimes the issue is not on your side. Instagram server may be down or the Restyle feature might not be available on your region yet. In that case, the best solution is to wait and try again later. If none of these steps work, you can report the problem through the app's help section so Instagram can fix it for your account. Open Instagram, click Profile, then click Menu Bar, click Help, then click Report a technical problem, click Include and Continue. Then type your problem, then last type your username, then type your phone model, and then last type your app version, what version you use your Instagram app. After complete, then click Send. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.